my dear children. A very good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online science class. My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you're safe, right? So, my dear children, where is your assignment I have given on that day? Have you all completed? Only one student has sent a snapshot. She has recorded her video regarding the assignment what I have given. Okay, so what about the others? When will you submit your assignment to me? The date is going to end. Okay, so my dear children, we have to complete our semester 1. We are at the end of the November, so do your works correctly. I want all your cooperation. Okay, so have you all completed copying your notes in your science notebook? Yes, then what about the snapshots? Okay, my dear children, try to send the snapshots to me. Okay, so far we have completed our 6th chapter, right? So what's the topic of the chapter? Movements of animals. Okay, movements of. So we have completing recalling what are the portion we have learned. So today we are going to learn the question answer. We are going to read the question answer. So take your science textbook, science notebook along a pencil with you. Okay, do it fast. Take your science textbook, take your science notebook and then pencil. Have you all taken? Yes? Okay. So shall we start? Okay, my dear children, we will start now. My dear children, take your textbook and turn to page number 101. Okay, turn to page number 101. So the first question, Dash has broad padded feet. Dash has broad padded feet. The answer is camel. So duck have webbed feet. Okay, duck have webbed feet. The answer is camel. So the next question, Dash is a flightless bird. Dash is a flightless bird. So what do you mean by flightless bird? The bird cannot be able to fly. Okay, the bird cannot be able to fly. So the answer is ostrich. Okay, the answer is ostrich. Next question, Dash have long legs. Dash have long legs. The answer is cranes. Okay, the answer is cranes. Answer is cranes. Okay, rabbit have short legs. Then sparrow also have short leg, but cranes have long legs. Okay, the next question, webbed feet work like dash that helps swimming in water. Webbed feet work like dash that help in swimming in water. The answer is paddles. Answer is paddles. What's the answer? Paddles. Okay, the dash flies from North Pole to the South Pole during migration. The dash flies from the North Pole to the South Pole during migration. Arctic tern. What's the answer? Arctic tern. Okay, so pigeon and duck are normal birds. Okay, normal birds, and they are domestic birds. Okay, so Arctic tern will fly from North Pole to the South Pole. Okay, then next we move on to the filling the blanks. Okay, next we move on to fill in the blanks. Animals usually move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. What's the answer? Food, water and shelter. Okay, food, water and shelter. TER. Okay, the next one, Dash walks very slowly. Dash walks very slowly. Tortoise and the snail. What's the answer? Tortoise and the snail. What's the spelling? TORTOISE. Tortoise and the snail. 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 Tortoise and the snail. Okay. The next one, the dash provides the balance to a kangaroo when it moves. Okay, the dash provides the balance to a kangaroo when it moves. The thick tail. What's the answer? Thick tail. Thick tail. T-A-I-L. Don't forget the spelling. T-A-I-L. Tail. Okay. The next question. Dash help fish to swim. Dash help fish to swim. Fins and tail. What's the answer? Fins and tail. Okay. The next one. Snakes have no legs, so they dash on the ground. Snakes have no legs, so they dash on the ground. Slither. What's the answer? Slither. S-L-I-T-H-E-R. Slither on the ground. Okay? Okay, my dear children. The next one, match the following. Column A, the animals are given. Then column B, how they move. Okay. So first one, lion walks on. Lion walks on 4 legs. With the help of their 4 legs, the lions will walk. Okay. Then monkeys can leap from one tree to another. Monkeys can leap from one tree to another. Then fish swim in water using their swim in water using their fins and tails. Okay, fins and tails. Okay, birds fly with their wings. Okay, birds fly with their wings. Then ducks swim with their webbed feet. Ducks swim with their webbed feet. Okay. So my dear children, this is the webbed feet. Okay. This is the webbed feet of the duck. Then turn to page number 102. And take your science notebook. You have written these questions in your science notebook. Take your science notebook. So, my dear, have you all taken? Okay. First, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question. Why do animals move from one place to another? Why do animals move from one place to another? Animals move from one place to another in search of food, water and shelter. Animals will move from one place to another in search of the food, for getting water and shelter, for getting a house to live. Okay, for getting a house to live, shelter. The next question. Name the animal that can walk long distance in a desert. I think you knew the answer. What's the animal? Camel. Very good. Camel is the animal that can walk long distances in a desert. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel is the animal that can walk long distances in a desert. Okay. The next question. How many legs does a spider have? Spider has 8 legs. How many legs? 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8 legs. Okay, 8 legs. Then, name an animal that has webbed feet. Which animal have webbed feet? Duck. Very good. D-U-C-K. Duck is an animal that has webbed feet. Okay. Duck is an animal that has webbed feet. Okay. Webbed. W-E-B-B-E-D. Not V-W. Okay. Webbed feet. Next one. Answer the following questions. So what's the question? What is migration? What is migration? Why do some animals migrate? Give example. This is the important question. So only I have given only this question. What is migration? Why do some animals migrate? Give example. Many animals move from one place to another at different times during the year. This movement is called migration. Animals migrate for different reasons. Some migrate to stay in warm places, while some migrate in search of food, water, or protection. Example, monarch butterflies, zebras, and salmon fish. I am repeating again, read along with me, okay? Many animals move from one place to other at different times during the year. This movement is called migration. Animals migrate for different reasons. Some migrate to stay in warm places, while some migrate in search of food, water, or protection. Examples, monarch butterfly, zebras, and salmon fish. So migration, what do you mean by migration? Many animals move from one place to another for different reasons, okay? For many reasons they move from one place to another in search of food, in search of water, in search of protection. During a year they change the places, okay? That is called migration. What are the examples? Monarch butterfly, M-O-N-A-R-C-H, M-O-N-A-R-C-H, monarch butterfly. Zebras, Z-E-B-R-A-S, zebras. And salmon fish, S-A-L-M-O-N, salmon fish. Do you understand? Okay. So next turn to page number 105, worksheet number 1. Group the animals given below based on the way they move. Okay, so there's a lion, Arctic tern, duck, spider, then sparrow, then fish, giraffe, eagle, and tiger. Okay, so walk. What are the animals will walk? Lion, duck, giraffe, and tiger. Lion, duck, giraffe, and tiger. Then fly, sparrow, eagle, and Arctic tern. Then swim, duck, fish. Okay, then crawl, spider. Okay, so these are the movements of the animal. They will walk, they will fly, they will swim, they will crawl. Okay, then turn to page number 106, worksheet number 2. Okay, move. First, I am a snake and I dash to go to places. How they move? Slither, S-L-I-T-H-E-R, slither. Okay, then we are called birds. We fly with our wings. Can you fly like us? I don't like to fly. Will you like to fly? Will you want to fly? Yes. Okay, my dear children. So you can write yes or no. As your wish, you can write yes or no. Then we are wild animals. We have 4 legs. So lion have 4 legs and walk around. Okay, the lion will walk around the environment in search of food. Okay, then I am a shark. My fins and tail help me to swim and change direction. Tail and fin. Then you can call me cheetah. I have spots on me. My legs are strong and long and I can run. Okay, very fast. I'm the fastest and land animal. Okay, then last one. I have webbed feet so I can walk on land and swim in water. I have webbed feet so I can walk on land and swim in water too. Okay. So next one, page number 107. The names of some body parts that help animals to move are hidden in this grid. Identify them. The names may also be found reversed. Okay, the name may be found reversed. First one, legs, L-E-G-S, legs. Then flippers, F-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, flippers. Okay. Then tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Then scales, S-C-A-L-E-S, okay. F-I-N-S, fins, okay. So these are the body parts marked here, okay. So, my dear children, this is enough today. We will meet in our next class with a new lesson. Until, take care, bye, thank you, and have a nice day. Okay?